Hey everybody, Joe Ken here with Be Pro Be Proud. I am on North Carolina's #2 truck. Pretty much the whole point of bringing this on campus is to get some of the kids to explore and get exposed to some trade industry jobs, skilled professions and technical skills that are out there for them once they graduate. Typically a large portion of the kids that I come talk to kind of fall into that group that has no idea what they want to do. So we try to show them about 15 to 16 different trades in here that they can get hands-on with and see if they can't leave here with a little interest built up to find a career path. So by far the most popular that we have in here is our CDL truck driving simulator up front. So we've got an articulated dump truck is what we usually run on this simulator here. And then this one will kind of tailor to the area we're in with either a crane simulator or forestry. Around the perimeter, you have a little bit more VR-based stuff. So we've got several different construction scenarios on these VR goggles here. There's a plumbing and HVAC, electrical carpentry, and we have a diesel tech as well. In the back, we've got welding simulator, robotic arm that they can control, and then another VR headset on our lineman bucket. Then we also have an eyes-only program here with the 3D printer and the CNC machine. So before I was on the Be Pro Be Proud tour, I was actually a fabricator on the shop floor at Spevco. So I got to see these trailers be built up from basically the ground. They come in on 20, 30-foot sheets of steel, and everything is made in-house from scratch. So you really get to see the dream come alive, and then it's full circle when you're out here operating in the trailer and you see it's being used for its function and getting great engagement. So it's been great to see both ends from the Spevco side and then an operating side as well. We've had several kids that didn't really know what they wanted to do as seniors last year, but now they've come back in. They've told us, hey, we're doing an awesome internship or apprenticeship at automotive technician or a welding manufacturing setting or something like that. So you do hear a lot of those stories, and then you also get to hear in real time some of the kids talk about the fact that they haven't really ever seen any of this stuff, been exposed to it, known that it's even an option, and see the light bulb kind of go off with a lot of these kids.